rice paper roll with me. Let's start! So rice paper, prawns, mint, lettuce salad, and for the sauce we have the chili, full cream milk, hoisin sauce, and peanut butter. And just put the hoisin sauce on the pan and just stir it.
What? To see how we go. Yeah, so I add a bit of sugar. So we add a bit and we taste it.
Put half spoon of the sugar on the sauce.
Yes.
And then we keep stir it and then taste it if it's sweet
and
enough.
maybe 1 spoon of this.
1 spoon of peanut butter.
Yep. The sauce very yum. We'll add some milk.
Okay, so
And then stir it. Maybe
just 1 tiny spoon.
1 spoon.
So why we put the milk on the sauce?
If you want it like really creamy and not too salty. So it should be.
And that's it?
Yeah. Turn it off.
Put chili into the sauce, but it's optional if you cannot eat spice. Sitting the rice paper in hot water. Let it soften. Carefully put it on the plate. First, I'm just going to put some lettuce salad. Put along on one side of the rice paper sheet. Then put some prawns, a bit of mint, and some Vermicelli rice noodle. Don't overput it. You just need to take one side and throw it to the corner. And take the bottom and fold over. And wrap it until the edge. Tuck it in the edge as you go. Continue to roll it until it's sealed. Make sure your spring roll is tight enough the ingredient doesn't fall out.
Yay!
Let's try that. The sauce that we made earlier.
Cheers! That's so good. I think the sauce is the main ingredient for the rice paper roll.